D2DNY. Real World HVAC Simplified. And now, in this video, I've got a Daikin unit. Where's the model? The model is over here. I'm gonna show you the model. Got a Daikin unit. This unit was kicking my BUT, BUT, because it's a factory defect. The factory defect got me going crazy. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys what the solution is because you are my subscribers, you're my fans, and so you're gonna avoid this trouble, right? So I actually went and got a whole new board, a whole new heating board, man. It's a Goodman actually. This is not really Daikin, it's a Goodman. But anyways, you know, it's like rebranded unit. And it's like really dark out. It's like night on the roof, nighttime. Because I got stuck here. I replaced the board. You know, it's just crazy. But I'm gonna tell you what the solution is, so that if you guys are having the same issues, you're my subscriber, you'll know what to do already. All right. So basically, and by the way, just want you to know that preferred member is gonna get this video first. I mean, I had to say that. All right. So let's get into it. So you can see I got everything open up right now. I got, this is the furnace is going right now, and you can see it's running. All right, definitely got flames in there. It's burning good. This unit is only a year and a half, guys, a year and a half, right? So, year and a half, customer called me up, heat ain't working. I came in here, what was happening is that I was getting one flash from the board here, one flash, right? One flash. So as per the legend here, actually no, yeah, one flash, yeah, right there. One blink, says ignition failure R, open rollout switch R, auxiliary limit switch, right? So when I then verify all those are good, but nonetheless, the one flash aside, what was happening was the furnace would initially start up. I got flame and everything, and after about, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 seconds into ignition, flame out. It retries 3 times and then locks out. So typically, comment in the comment section, if you get a furnace that starts up, there's flame, it flames up, flame is on the burner, like you see right now. Flame is there and it stayed for about 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and then out. Tries again, same thing happens, fire, flames out, flame on, flame out. Comment in the comment section if you are pro. I mean, what you're gonna say is the issue. Typically, in my experience, that's a flame sensor, or the flame, the ignition controller didn't sense the flame. So right away I said, all right, it's a brand new unit. I'm gonna go get me a new board and a flame sensor that's gonna cover everything. One trip, one stop. Boy, was I wrong. So when I came, I installed the new board, same thing happened. So I went ahead, I thought it was probably not proper ground. The grounding wasn't proper. So I got a ground right there. Got a grounding back over to the transformer. You know what I'm saying? I did that, this little wire right here. I did that, figure out, because this screw right here is the grounding screw for the board. So I figured out the grounding, it wasn't grounding properly, so I actually run an actual wire, dedicated ground wire, directly to the transformer. That didn't work, so I went further and connect another wire to the same ground, run it through, and go all the way down, attach it to the furnace right there. You know what I'm saying? But none of that was the issue. In the end, this was the issue. This was the issue, guys. This was the problem. You gotta be freaking kidding me, man. It's a factory defect. See this harness right here? This harness right here? This wire comes off the flame sensor. This wire you see I have spliced right here. I spliced. This comes off the flame sensor. Oh, look at this. I gotta do better than that. I mean, it's pretty good though. I think it's connected, right? But anyway, this wire came off the flame sensor, and it goes through this Molex connector right here, and it was not making proper connection. That was the issue. So it wasn't sensing the flame, and you know, look at that. So somehow the connection wasn't strong enough or good enough in here, where I don't know what happened. Maybe it got corroded, but it wasn't going through. It would just start up and it wouldn't sense the flame. So that same wire here goes through and it goes over. So let me get back here. That's your flame sensor back there, okay? So that was it, guys. This was a fix, literally. I just did this. When I traced the wire out, I was going nuts, and based on my experience, I knew when the flame comes on, that means all my limits are good. All my limits are good, right? The flame comes on, all my limits are good. My air proven right here, the pressure switch right here, that's good, right? Because the flame comes on. Okay, so my air pressure switch is good, limits are good, the flame comes on. Once the flame comes on, it stays for a brief moment and go out. That means I'm not sensing that flame. So I knew from experience that's what it was. So hence the reason why after everything fails, because I thought it was a ground issue, because you need a ground for the flame sensor to work. It actually senses conductivity through the flames back to the ground. Just the ground. So, if the ground is not proper, the flame sense wouldn't sense. So I thought that was that. And then last minute I just tried to trace the wire out. You can figure maybe the wire was touching ground somewhere. You know what I mean? And then boom, I found this. I saw this plug right here, and I kind of like knew right away. I cut it out, spliced it, boom. There you go. All right. Again, this video is going to help you out. Right? I hope I could title this thing properly because I know this unit is a year and a half. Daikin recently take over from Goodman and they rebranded the unit, and obviously you can see the quality is like out of whack. All right. This was supposed to be a 20-minute job. This is like 2 hours later. It's freaking mad right now. It's mad right now. All right. Give this video a like if you like it.